The Indonesian shipbuilder PT PAL claims that the Philippine Navy is in negotiations for the possible acquisition of 2 more landing platform Docker strategic sealift vessels, a hospital ship based on the strategic sealift vessels, and 2 KCR-60 missile boats. While there were indeed previous statements on the acquisition of more strategic sealift vessels and hospital ship, and are supported by the Philippine Navy's own Horizon 2 phase wish list, the addition of the KCR-60 in the report is something new. It doesn't fit on the Philippine Navy's acquisition plans, being too small for the MPPV or OPV requirements, but at best it may fit the littoral patrol interdiction craft requirement, that is if the Philippine Navy does not downgrade the requirements of the littoral patrol interdiction craft, which appeared to have happened last year. In addition, Budiman said that the Philippines is already planning to increase the order list of its strategic sealift vessels type warships in the missile fast ship. They, the Philippines, want already in the conversation as additional strategic sealift vessels again, and also added 1 strategic sealift vessels hospital ship plus 2 KCR-60, he said.